Well, I took the chrome zl1 emblems off and put black on. I bought these from a company called Natalex Auto. They show up as Delaware, but these things ship out of China. But they're good quality. They go on good. The adhesives feel good. Really happy how they turned out. I put these in the exact same spot as the factory ones. I took a letter off one at a time, measured the spacing, and did exactly as the factory. But as you know, the bumper, contours this way. You want to keep it all the same area. I think it turned out good. And I also did the ones on the cow. It's not hard to get them off, just dental floss. The most time-consuming part is using the glue gun to get the rest of the adhesive off. But just take your time, use it, and cleaner, polish. With this nice soft rag. The only one I haven't done is the one in the grill. And I don't know of anybody that makes it for the 6th gen Camaro, the black with the red one. I see a company, the Yahoo or something like that. I see them on Amazon and various other places, but those are for the 5th gen. They're 6 inches long. The 6th gen's not that long, so it won't fit there. So I can either just leave that the way alone, which I might, because it blends in with the bow tie, or should I say the flow tie. But I like how those turned out.